Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Pick plus cups. Pick cups. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for that warm reception. I hope you have a good time in the next half hour with us on Classic Concentration. Our returning champion, the man on my left, is having a good time. Jeff Culp is his name, and he has won close to $12,000 in prizes. So let's make him feel welcome again. And let's introduce our newcomer. This lady on my right is Barbara Ein. Did I get it right?
Alex, you did great.
All right, thank you, Barbara. Where are you from?
I am originally from the East Coast. I was born in Virginia. I spent 8 years in Manhattan, and I moved out to California 2 years ago.
You like it here?
I love the weather. I love it.
Okay, you're going to like it a lot better if you win some prizes.
I sure am.
So take a look over here, and we will show you something nice.
Get over the winter blues by swimming in the blue waters off the Caribbean island of St. Thomas. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Point Pleasant Resort, the Virgin Islands Sanctuary of Beauty, in luxurious accommodations overlooking aquamarine waters that invite you to sail, swim, and snorkel. Pools and private beaches await, furnished by Point Pleasant Resort. Alex.
Thank you. Boy, does that look inviting. Barbara and Jeff, take a look on the board, and we will show you where you will find the Isle of St. Thomas at number 20. Barbara, you get to pick first in this game.
Okay, Alex, I'd love to go back to the Caribbean. I miss it very much. Let's try to find a match under number 2.
Wild card.
Yes, and we are going to St. Thomas, number 20.
2 and 20. Great combination to start off this game. The other Isle of St. Thomas from the bottom at number 24. Slip it into position. Open 3 panels for Barbara Ein. Ein in German means 1.
It
so
sure
you're
does.
Barbara 1.
And I'm number 1 today, I think.
All right.
Okay, a little too early to solve yet. Let's try for the middle. Let's try number 13.
Armoire.
Oh, an armoire would be great. Let's go for a match for that armoire under number 16.
Diamond earrings. No match. Jeff?
Okay, let's check behind number 5.
Picnic basket.
Okay, and let's find a match behind 21.
Red take. No match. Barbara?
For insurance for my trip, I'm going to be concerned to find that other take. Let's go to number 8.
Diamond earrings.
And the match under number 16.
16 is right. 8 and 16. 2 more doors opening up for Barbara. Go again.
Hold on and wait a bit. Let's try for number 14. Let's see what's in number 14.
His and her 10-speed bikes.
Oh, great. You can get in shape that way. And let's see for a match under number 6.
Telescope. No match. Let's go to Jeff.
Okay, let's check number 25.
Green take.
Okay, let's match that behind 15.
No. Cookware is what we have there. Barbara.
Let's try to open up one of the corners. Let's go to number 4.
Wild card. Ooh-wee, yes.
Yes,
What
wonderful.
are we going to match that with?
Let's
so
go
many goodies.
Dead center. I'd like that armoire.
The armoire is nice. Number 13? And the natural match to that would have occurred directly beneath it.
Great
At number
center.
18. Yes, great center. 2 panels opening up in the center column.
Let's hold off just a bit. Let's go to number 10.
Telescope.
And the match under number 6.
6, the other end of the line. Right.
Wow.
4 lovely prizes up on our challengers board, and another look at the puzzle for the lady. Pick again.
Number 1.
Complete power tool set.
Well, you never know when that could come in handy. Let's go for the match under number 23.
Wild card. Other power tool set. The lady's on a roll here. At number 9, 3 more doors. Swing them open. I would think that we are now out of wild cards, Barbara, so natural
Well, you never
matches
know,
only.
Alex, though. There's always tricks. Let's go number 21. Tricks under your sleeves.
Red take.
And let's go for a match under number 17.
No. Well, obviously there was no trick there. Jeff?
Okay, let's check behind number 14.
His and her 10-speed
Okay, we
bike.
saw them. Let's check 22.
No, that's cookware. Barbara?
Let's go to number 15.
Cookware.
Matches under number 22.
Cookware. All of the prizes that we have on the board are in Barbara Ian's column. Can she solve this puzzle? Take a look, Barb. Pick again.
Let's go to number 3, Alex.
Handcrafted area rug.
I saw that under number 19.
No.
okay.
Picnic basket. Jeff.
Okay, I think the rug is under number 17.
17, yes.
And number 3.
A match for you at last. A chance for you to get into this game and perhaps solve the puzzle. He's got a strike against him, so this game is most important to Jeff Culp. Take a look. Try it again.
Okay, number 19.
Well, that's the picnic
And
basket.
number 5.
Yes. They don't have to be matches on fabulous prizes as long as you make the matches, stay alive, and have a chance to solve the puzzle, which is what Jeff will try to do now. Pick again, Jeff.
Okay, let's check number 11
Well, now that's a green take.
and number 25.
Green take is right. You can use it now or save it a little bit.
Okay, I think I'll take St. Thomas. I'd love to go to the Caribbean.
St.
Okay,
Thomas.
Jeff, that's all right.
St. Thomas moves over to Jeff's side of the board, and these two panels will swing open for him.
It stands to reason.
It stands to reason that Jeff's going to win this game. Yes. Come on, Jeff. Well done.
Okay, we have hits, stands. There's 2 stands, one here and one here. We have 2, and re plus sun. It stands to reason.
All righty. Barbara was doing so well in the early stages of that game. She was making matches, but there wasn't enough showing
But
to
it's not
solve the
over
puzzle.
yet, so
You're
we'll
right.
see.
It's not over. You've just got the 1 strike against you, so we will see you in game number 2 in a little bit,
Good
Barbara.
luck, Jeff.
Thanks.
Jeff, let's find out about your prizes
Okay.
now. Gene, tell them about it, please.
A picnic basket, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a picnic basket or other top name brands from our catalog, or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a handcrafted area rug. You may add a touch of the Southwest to your home with a beautiful handcrafted cotton Dury rug in special custom colors, designed for this collection, furnished by Emser International, and of course, the beautiful Isle of St. Thomas. And Jeff, you have prizes totaling $4,208.
Oh, another big win for you, Jeff. And another shot at the brand new cars when we return. He's won some terrific vacations. He's going to New Orleans. He's going to St. Thomas in the Caribbean. He's going to Acapulco, but he wants to win a brand new car. He was just saying, I want to do this right. Let's see if he can. He came very, very close last time. 15 numbered squares and the clock. You're now up to 50 seconds, Jeff. Take a deep breath. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
4, 8,
Right.
10, 11,
No.
1, 11,
Yes.
2, 10,
Yes.
13, 14,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
3, 6,
No.
9, 12,
No.
6, 12,
Yes.
3, 14,
No.
9, 15,
No.
9, 14,
Yes.
7, 15,
No.
3, 15.
You are correct, and you have won a car in 44 seconds. There you go. Tell them about it, Gene. You did it. Oh, yeah.
Jeff, you've just won this Toyota Celica 2-door coupe. Features a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder electronically fuel-injected engine and 5-speed manual transmission. furnished by Toyota, a prize worth over $14,000.
Well, you've just about doubled your winnings to $30,004, Jeff. Enjoy the holidays, enjoy the new car, enjoy all the prizes. We'll have a new player to introduce right after these commercials. Newcomers competing against each other. Barbara, of course, played in Game 1, but that's the only game in which she has appeared on Concentration. And now she gets to face this young man, Reese Hughes.
That's correct. Hughes.
I got it right? Hughes.
Go ahead. Yes.
P-U-G-H. All right,
correct,
Reese.
yes.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Canton, Massachusetts. I'm married and have a baby who will be 2 in April.
Good for you. Boy or girl?
A boy. You're in for the time of your life, Alex.
I am? Mm-hmm. What's your name?
His name is Ezra.
Ezra?
Yes.
That's a neat name.
Yes.
Okay.
Goes back.
Why am I in for the time of my life?
Oh, just being a father. It's a hoot.
Does it get better?
Oh, yeah.
It does. All right.
Better.
Well, here's a lovely young lady. She's not my daughter, but she's sweet, and she's got one of our prizes.
Rembrandt Lamps Torchier Floor Lamp, executed in heirloom brass, and 2 table lamps with bright old brass finish and cream linen shades, handcrafted with skill and artistry, furnished by Rembrandt Lamps. Alex.
2 table lamps and a torchère. Is that what I saw? All right. Reese and Barbara, take a look on the board. We'll show you where the lamps can be found. The collection is at number 7. This is the second game of the program, and that means we have the 5 bonus car seconds. We have the cash pot. It is at $500, and we have a New York Dude Ranch vacation as well. Reese, you get to pick first with just 1 wild card to assist you on our board. Good luck.
Well, I'm a pretty bad dude. I'd like a Dude Ranch vacation, that's for sure. Let's look for that vacation under number 18.
Word processor.
And a wild card or a match under number 3.
No match. Red take there. Barbara, find that Dude Ranch vacation.
Let's get the Dude Ranch. Number 21.
Hey, dude. Nope, green take.
Let's go to number 3.
Green.
Red take.
We had a green take and a red take. I got my colors reversed.
Still looking for that vacation. Number 1.
Green.
And number 21.
Green. All right. I didn't mix it up on that one. Here you go.
That's the green one.
You bet. That's green.
Yeah, let's
the red
stay
one's
on
down
the roll
here.
now.
Stay.
Looking for a wild card.
Well, wait a minute. Let's open.
sorry. No.
Let us open these 2 panels
Way ahead of
for you.
myself now.
That's okay. You're eager, and that's good.
I am indeed.
Open
Very
the panels,
nervous.
please. Thank you. Now you can go looking for the wild card.
Number 5.
Cash pot.
And number 15.
Lamp collection. No match. Barbara?
Let's go to number 12, Alex.
Cash pot.
And number 5.
Number 5 works out. Lady smiled when she made that match. Open these 2 panels for her. Pick again.
Let's go to number 7, Alex.
Lamp collection.
Let's go to number 15, Alex. For that
Lamp
match.
collection, right?
Wonderful.
Of course, you're making Reese happy. He's got the take, and he wants to see prizes
but
in
he's
your
got to
color.
get control of the board, doesn't he, Alex?
You bet. Let's open these 2 panels for Barbara. She's tough. She's tough. There's no 2 ways about it. Go again.
Let's go to number 25, Alex.
Red take.
And number 3, Alex.
Boy, you're cruising along here. Cruise control, taking over.
As they say, one take deserves another one. Ooh, that was a bad joke, sir. Ooh.
If there are any bad jokes that need to be made, Jean will make them. Oh, no. I will make them. Yes.
You'll make them,
Jean
okay.
will assist me.
Okay.
All right, take a look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Let's go to number 16, Alex.
Home security system.
Everyone needs one of those, don't they?
Get a dog.
Get a dog.
Get a big dog.
Let's
I've
see
got
if
a big
we
dog.
can go for the match under number 23.
Word processor. No match. Reese.
Number 8, please.
New York
There's
Dude
the
Ranch.
Dude Ranch.
Dude.
And number 19.
Wild card. And the Dude Ranch vacation. We'll be going into your column. We'll show you the natural at number 11 now. You have this green take, and she's got $500 in cash. She's got a lamp collection, which is probably worth more than that, I would think.
I think I'll save the take. I'd like to save the take.
Yeah? All right. That's fine. That's your decision, and it's probably a good one at this stage. Open these 3 panels for Reese. Go again.
Let's see, number 13.
5 bonus car seconds.
And number 23.
Word processor. Gosh, we've seen that a number of times down there, haven't we? Barbara?
Gee, Alex, let's go to number 17.
Gee, Barbara, there's a bedroom set.
And let's go to number 10.
Gas barbecue. That isn't going to work out. Not in the bedroom. Reese?
Can I see what's behind 16?
Home security.
No. That's not what I
Big
thought
dog
it was.
bites.
A big dog. I like big dogs. Is there a big dog home security system under number 14?
No, we've got the bonus car seconds there. Break for Barbara? Who knows?
Let's go to number 22, Alex.
Home security.
Let's go to number 16.
Home security, right. Now, Barbara, you have a take as well, and he has one prize up there that's kind of neat.
Let's hold on a bit. Let's hold on. I'm going to hold it.
What do you mean, let's? Is this a
hold
partnership all of a sudden, Barbara, between you and me?
Maybe it could be.
Okay.
You never know.
All right, we'll hold on to it. I'll hold on to it right here. Open these 2 panels for Barbara. Select again.
Let's go to number 13.
5 bonus car seconds. I was shortchanging you.
And let's go to number 18.
No, that's that word processor. Reese.
Are the bonus car seconds under number 14? Yes,
Right.
they are. And number 13?
Correct. Want to use a take? Cash, land.
I'll take the cash. I'll take the cash.
All right, we're getting rid of the takes. Open the 2 panels for Reese. Go again. Whoa, there's the bell, so we won't need this take. Hands on your signaling buttons. You know the drill. Ring in when you think you can solve the puzzle, but be careful. Number 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. Now to the important stuff. 17, 18, 20, 23, 24. All right, you're going to need some help, obviously. Let me assist you then. Remember, you can ring in when the green light goes on. First, we have a hit and a dozen eggs, plus the T. It doesn't. It doesn't. G plus the hit. Git. N is in quotation marks. Reese.
Is it doesn't get any better?
Is it doesn't get any better? Well, of course it is. Yes, it was tough to figure out that last symbol. You didn't know whether he was placing a wager or withdrawing money from a bank. Let's go to the board. You get to explain it, Reese. You won some good prizes, too.
Let's see, we have hit, and a dozen eggs is hit dozen, T, hit doesn't, G plus the hit, get, N and apostrophe, N plus the knees, get any better. It doesn't get any better.
All right, well done.
There I am.
Poor Barbara, though, has had her second strike, and that means we have to say goodbye to you.
That's the way it goes. But good luck, Reese.
Thank you, Barbara.
All right. Barbara, you and I will reestablish our partnership at some future date. Thank you for being here. So long.
Bye-bye.
All right, Reese, let's find out about your prizes. You won some good ones. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $500 and a New York Dude Ranch. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding and while in flight experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you will spend 6 nights at the Roseland Ranch in Stanfordville, New York for casual ranch resort activities. You may swim in their indoor pool, explore the ranch on horseback, hike or snowmobile, year-round fun furnished by Roseland Ranch. And, of course, the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes worth $2,870.
And, of course, a chance for a brand new car when we return. Yeah. Here we go, Reese. 15 numbered squares. Base time is 35 seconds, but you picked up the bonus seconds, so you're working with 40.
That's nice.
Good luck.
Thank you. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
Nope.
10, 12.
Nope.
3, 12.
Nope.
3, 10.
Yes.
1, 12.
Yes.
13, 15.
No.
4, 13.
No.
4, 5.
No.
8, 11.
No.
11, 6.
Yes.
2, 14.
No.
7, 14.
No.
13, 14.
It was obvious you were a little nervous. You started to settle down towards the end.
Little
But that's
bit
okay.
nervous,
You've
yeah.
got $2,870 in prizes. You're
Don't
going to
mind
play
that.
again. And Gene, tell us about another prize, please.
Some of today's participants may receive the incredible Vax 4-in-1, a powerful vacuum cleaner that also washes carpets to keep them looking new, furnished by Vax. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
The good thing this show is over. Reese is nervous. Pokey is not feeling too well. But we'll all be back here tomorrow to try it again. Please join us then, won't you? Have a good day. So long.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.